As women in their droves join men in the office workplace, we're also witnessing a collapse of the traditionally masculine and competitive behaviors usually found in all male work environments. From things like gender appropriate language and sensitivity training, it's a kind of feminization or softening you up you see in the workplace to accommodate the women. Back at home, men that aren't able to hold their own as the leader of the family see their role being taken over by the woman, who then shapes the children in her mold and seizes as much control as she can in the household. Then you take a look at how women today readily put their bodies on the internet on display to make money off of emasculated men. And this is a recurring theme that goes something like this. A man stripped of his inherent qualities like determination, discipline, and a sense of duty becomes a shadow of his former self. In this weakened state, he becomes easily manipulated and a pawn in the hands of any woman who wants to exploit him for her gain. It's a dynamic where traditional masculinity is not just undermined but inverted.